Thailand. Today we're gonna buy a lot of pies. These are for cupcakes and cupcake. And this is for cake, you know.
Okay.
And
Where did you get all your money from?
you.
Why did I give it to you?
Because I was a good girl
All day long, huh?
and a bad girl.
No, you weren't. Were you bad today?
I was bad all day.
What?
Kick people and fight.
Oh, but I thought you were good all day.
I was good this week.
Oh, but what about today?
I was bad on that room last week.
Oh, but what about today?
Yes, today.
Were you good today?
Yes.
Okay. And you got a whole bunch of money today?
Yes.
And what are you going to do with your money? You're going to use these pennies to buy a pie. You're going to use this quarter to buy a cake, another cake, and 2 cupcakes.
Yes, sir, we are. Yeah.
You're going to be able to buy a lot of stuff with that money. Are you going to let Daddy eat some of it?
This?
No, he doesn't want to eat the money. How about if he eats the things you buy with your money?
Oh. And everyone can share.
Sure.
Cut the cupcakes in the circle for me and you and Dad and baby and
Who else do we have in our family?
baby Stefani
Uh-huh.
and
Who are you missing?
and Laya Woodchuck
Oh, there you go. That's all of us.
and Dad.
You're so nice to share everything.
With if every people not behaving, they're not getting any kind of food with me.
No food at all?
Yeah, if they're not being good, no more cake or cupcakes.
No
for
more
them.
treats, huh? Okay, that's a good idea. I like it.
Dad, if someone goes, hiya, poo, be bad, they're not getting any of this horn stuff.
Okay. I think that's a good video.
So,
You gonna say goodbye?
If people always be nice, they can eat some of the pie
Okay.
and all the fruits.
Okay.
And Daddy spanks the kids. That's a white. He can eat some of these.
Oh, Daddy is allowed to spank people. He's still good even if he spanks?
Yep.
Oh, well, that's interesting.
Okay.
All right. Okay, bye.
I say bye.
Oh, you say it.
Bye.